Start.
What's up, everybody? This is Arav Shaurya and we're on episode 15 of Arav Shaurya's Amazing Ideas. In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about diversity of animals. As we all probably know, animals have been on our planet for a very long time indeed. And there are many types of animals and they have different characteristics. We are going to be diving into the different characteristics and groups of animals present in our world. First, mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded and they mostly give birth to their young. They are the only animals on our planet that suckle their young and have lungs to breathe on land. Next, birds. Birds have feathers as outer covering and they also live on land. They have lungs to breathe on land like mammals. They lay eggs and they are warm-blooded just like mammals. Now let's look at insects. Insects are one of the most unique types of animals on our planet because they are the only types of animals on our planet to have 3 body parts and 3 pairs of legs. So insects are cold-blooded and unlike mammals and birds, when they are on land, they use their breathing tubes to breathe. Insects are tiny, fragile creatures that do not have an outer covering. They have a hard body outer covering and no exoskeleton. Next, let's look at fish. Fish have a pair of fins and a tail to swim in water easily. They have a streamlined body shape to help them move easily in water. Fish breathe through their gills and gill covers. Fish are fascinating creatures that live in the oceans, as we all know. Fish have scales as outer covering and obviously are cold-blooded. Now let's look at reptiles. Reptiles have dry skin with scales as outer covering. They can regulate their body temperature with the sun. They're cold-blooded and they mostly lay eggs with the exception of a few species that give birth to their young. Last fact about reptiles is that they also have unique characteristics that allow them to survive in different types of environment. For example, a desert lizard has characteristics to live in a desert. A crocodile has characteristics to live in a humid rainforest, and so on. Our final group is amphibians. Amphibians live on both land and water. They use their lungs to breathe on land when they are in land, and they use their gills to breathe in water. Moist skin to breathe in water. However, the young that is known as tadpoles for frogs breathe through their gills in water. Amphibians mostly lay eggs with the exception of a few species like reptiles. Amphibians also can regulate their body temperature depending on the type of environment. And lastly, amphibians are cold-blooded. Now for our ending. Conclusion: there are many different types of animals on the planet. They have their own unique ways and characteristics of finding things. However, sadly, many animals are being hunted to extinction by man. For examples are, deer are being hunted for their antlers, elephants are being hunted for their tusks, and rhinoceroses are being hunted for their horns. If we don't do an action to save these magnificent creatures, they may go away from the face of our earth entirely. So let's do our part to save these magnificent creatures. After all, if we all play a small part, it can make a huge difference. Now our trivia time. The question for the day is, what type of animal suckles its young? Let me know in the comments your answers. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe to Arav Shaurya's Interesting Ideas. This is Arav Shaurya zooming out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.